geometry class. Welcome. The topic for today is find and the tangent radio. I will to solve this problem. Find the tangent of angle H. We have to find the tangent of the angle H. First of all, let me explain what I mean the tangent radio. What I mean the tangent radio. So the tangent like of a angle. This is the main idea, main concept in a right triangle. A rectangle is a radio. These two main points you need to see. Tangent is a radio on the right triangle. All right. It is the leg. It is the leg of the opposite leg. The opposite leg, I mean, this is you are able to write it in this way too. Divided by leg, this divided by the leg of adjacent leg. For adjacent leg, so you write it adjacent like that. Okay, the opposite leg here. The opposite leg is the side across. You can everything you are talking about the triangle from the specified specified angle. All right, and adjacent leg is the leg next to the specified so in this case for instance here we're talking about the triangle. The opposite, we're talking about the H. This is the H. The opposite leg is this one, is IG. This is the opposite. So the adjacent side is this one, HG or GA. GH is the adjacent side to the angle, right? It's close, the opposite to the angle. This is the concept, but let's see and then solve our problem, okay? This is, as always, I used to explain it before they solve the problem, explaining what I mean our class, what is the main concept, what is the main idea. That is very important to understand the idea of our class. So now, let's solve our problem. Take the formula for the tangent. So here, take the formula from the tangent of angle H. This problem, I'm plugging the relevant. I'm plugging in the relevant. So the relevant side legs. leg. Okay, so what is the next step? So here we have to write tan of what? Of h. Of h. Okay, so this is equals, remember the concept I give it to you. That's why I write the concept before. It's opposite here. Opposite means the opposite side, right? Over or divided by adjacent sides. Okay, so this is a definition of the tangent. Of tangent. All right. Next step, substitute, or actually, just write the letter. What is the letter in our problem? Here we have in the top, we are talking opposite. What is the opposite? The opposite side is GI. GI. And then adjacent, I told you, is GH. GH, right? Well, I mean this is substitute here. Substitute opposite equals GI and adjacent equals GH. Right? Okay, now next step, just write the numbers here. 48 divided by 20. What I mean this, plug in here, plug in GI equals 48 and GH equals 20. Right, that's what I did. So this is, you simplify here, this will be equals 12 divided by 5. 12 divided by 5. 12 divided by 5. This is simplify. Okay, simplify. So the conclusion here. So tan h is equals 12 divided by 5. 12 divided by 5. That's it. This is the solution for our problem, right? Let me show you another kind of problem. So another problem. Let me give you. I use the same triangle. Just I'm gonna use different values. And here, let's find the tangent of let's angle D. So right, let me write in the right D, right D right there, and then let's write B and C, and then the values. Let me write here 13. No, 13, not 12. 13, and then this is right, 12 and 5. Okay. Okay. Same thing. Just take the formula for the tangent of angle D. Take the formula for tangent angle D and plug it in the relevant side legs. Okay. And then let's write then tan angle D is equals the formula is opposite divided by adjacent. This is a definition of the tangent. Okay, definition. Okay, now substitute We substitute here, we will have BC. Opposite is BC. Our adjacent is CD. So that step is a substitute. Here substitute. Opposite equals BC and adjacent equals CD. Right? Now just write the numbers. BC is 12. So this write 12 divided by 5. Thus, it's called plug it in here. Plug it in. Here 12 BC equals 12 and CD equals 5. Right? That's it. So now this is actually the last step, right? So our conclusion. So tan D is equals 12 divided by 5, 12 fifths. So this is the solution our problem. Very simple topic for geometry. This class is for high school geometry, easy class. All right. You discover the power of the mathematics, unleash your infinity potential. Thank you.